Today, I'm going to teach you a very powerful spiritual work that you can do right now that will help your life move from a life of poverty to a life of riches and blessings and miracle. Are you always lacking money? You are always begging money. You are always in lack. You are always wondering when your next meal is going to come from. Okay, you're always begging people for food. You lack money, and your birthright should be abundance of money. It may not be big money, but you should never be in lack. Okay, your pocket must never be empty. So after this spiritual work, you will see that blessings will be flowing to you from every corners. People will be blessing you. Your business will flourish if you have a business. If you're working, you will see that you will be getting that favorite job that you want, and you will get a raise from your business, from your workplace. So just follow this spiritual work. Make sure you watch this video from start to the end. And the natural ingredients that I'm going to use are very simple. They are something that you have in your kitchen as I speak. Okay, even if you don't have them, you can always get them. They are easy to get. Okay, so now what do we need for this spiritual work? We need you will make sure you get me some tap water. Okay, any type of water: tap water, rainwater, beach water, sea water, spring water, well water, river water. Get any type of water. Okay, and make sure you get some cinnamon. This is cinnamon right here. I'm sure you can see that. Then you have to get any denomination of money that you have in your country, any currency. Okay, you can get any of these currencies, anyone, whether it is dollar, whether it is naira, whether it is cedis, okay, whether it is pounds, whatever it is that you have. So now, because we are working on getting money into your life, you want money to flow into your life. You all know that cinnamon has been very powerful. If you have used cinnamon in the past and it has worked for you, I wanted to share your experiences on my channel. I've used cinnamon a lot, and a lot of people have shared their testimonies regarding those spiritual videos. You can also check those videos out in your after watching this video, okay, and also go through the testimonies. You will see that they will encourage you to do this spiritual work too. So that's why I'm trying to do this, and this one is a different spiritual work. It works 100% also. So now what you will do is that you will get your water, and you will make sure that you add about half teaspoon of cinnamon into the water. So now the water that you're going to get, it can be cold water, it can be warm water, it can be hot water, depending on what you want. It can be at any temperature. It's fine. So, and what you will find is cinnamon may be very hard to mix up very well. Make sure that you mix it very well. Okay, you make sure it's mixed very well. So you will see that the color is going to change. Okay, so to golden orange, okay, or brown, or whatever it is. So now what you want to do is that you're going to take the currency, okay, you are going to put this currency, you are going to put it, okay, you put it in the water, in the cinnamon water. You make sure it soaks very well into the water like this. Okay, so you will leave it there. You can keep this on your window for a few hours. Depending on when you do it, I would recommend that you do this spiritual work in the morning. You get what I'm saying? You can soak it overnight. You make sure you soak it overnight, okay, and just before the morning, because you will use it in the morning. So now when you soak it overnight, you are going to pray over this water, that you are using this water as a point of contact to make money flow to you. You're using this as a point of contact to bring the blessings of money to you from every corner of the world. That you want people to be blessing you. You want rich people to look for you, to locate you, and bless you with big money. You say that you're using this money to make sure that you grow your business, that you're using this spiritual work to make sure that your business grows, okay, beyond your imagination. You will keep praying, okay, with your heart. So now, once you've done that prayer, you will leave this water on your window for, overnight like that. So now, just before the early morning sun come out the following day, listen to this carefully, it's very important. Just before the sun come out, you will make sure that you take the money out from the water, okay, and you will spread it around and you let it dry. Okay, you have to spread it, you put it somewhere in a very clean place. So you make it dry. Don't use anything to dry it, let it dry by itself. So now you have to time it. You have to make sure that you do this. Like I said, you don't have to leave the water on all night. Just let it soak for a few hours and take the money out and just let the hair dry it by itself. It has to dry naturally, please. So you have to spread it out and let it dry. Once it has dried, then it's ready to be used. So now when it is exactly morning, when the sun is just coming out, early in the morning we'll see that the sun will start coming out. The sun is not bright yet. That is the type of sun that you want to use, and then that is the specific time that you have to do the spiritual work. Now you are going to spread that that money to the sun. You can stand in front of your house. You can just stand in the direction of the sun and just spread it over the sun and say your prayer again, that from today on you call your name Precious. I will never beg for money again. Precious, from today I will never lack money again. Precious, from today money will flow to me from every corner of the world. I will be rich. I will be commanding money in the mighty name of Jesus, in the mighty name of Allah, in the mighty name of Olodumare. Okay, so you say all these prayers according to your spirit and according to how I've said it. Okay, so now you're not going to take this money, you are going to use it to buy something precious, okay, and give it to somebody that is in need. Please, this person has to be they have to be genuinely in need of something. Okay, you can give this to beggar, those people that you think that they are in need. Don't give it to your family, don't give it to your friend. It has to be somebody that is in need. You can use it to buy something for them. You can just give them the money. It's all good. Now you may be asking, okay, what is going to happen to that person that you give? There's nothing. This thing is just like a blessing ritual, because you're giving out so that you can receive more. So you give to somebody that is in need so that you can get more into your life. That's it. There's no spiritual exchange. There's no problem that is going to happen to the person that you give it to. So please, okay, so go right ahead and do this. Once it has worked for you, come back to my channel to share your testimony. I'll be waiting for more spiritual videos. Watch these videos over there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I'll see you. Bye bye.